Steph Curry and Under Armour once had one of the strongest partnerships in the signature sneaker world. In 2023, Curry signed a lifetime deal with the brand, making the split in 2025 a major surprise across sports and sneaker culture. Since becoming a free agent, Steph has been spotted wearing multiple brands, everything except Under Armour. Despite the separation, both sides are still moving forward with the next release in the line, the Under Armour Curry 13, set to launch in February 2026. Early images show a noticeable shift in design. Unlike the low-top Curry 11 and 12, the Curry 13 features a higher-cut silhouette for added support. The upper now includes a large leather panel for extra reinforcement, moving away from the lighter mesh-focused builds of past models. While full tech details are still limited, UA flow cushioning appears to remain. 4 colorways have surfaced so far: yellow, black, red, pink, and blue. The Curry 13 will release via Under Armour and select retailers.